If your CRM says a lead is hot, but your email tool says they unsubscribed, you're not just disorganized, you're risking revenue and trust. Email data synchronization is the system that keeps your CRM and email platform telling the same story automatically. At its core, sync is two-way data flow. Update an email address in your CRM that updates in your email service provider. Unsubscribe in a campaign, and that preference syncs back to your CRM. That replaces the messy export-import routine that creates duplicates, missed updates, and preventable errors. The payoff is immediate visibility. Sales can see opens and clicks inside the contact record, and marketing can see which CRM segments actually convert. And this matters because email can return $36 to $42 for every $1 spent, but only when your data stays clean and aligned. Let's break down how synchronization works technically, starting with the concept of a single source of truth. Most sync setups treat the server as the source of truth, and every connected system aligns to it. So your laptop, phone, webmail, CRM, and email platforms stay consistent. Now, not all sync is equal. One-way sync moves data in only one direction, which is how systems drift apart. A classic example is POP3. It downloads mail to one device, but doesn't reliably sync changes back, so deletions, folders, and read status can diverge. Modern two-way synchronization is closer to how IMAP behaves. Change flow both directions, and message state stays consistent across devices. For near-instant updates, IMAP can use push-style behavior like idle, but CRM integrations usually rely on APIs plus webhooks for real-time events. Next is a key architectural choice: server-side versus client-side sync. Server-side sync runs continuously in the background on infrastructure, so it keeps working even when no one has a laptop open. Client-side sync depends on a device being online and running software, which can introduce gaps, delays, and resource drain. Then comes the part that breaks most integrations: authentication. Today, most providers require OAuth 2, not basic username and password, which means your integration uses short-lived access tokens and longer-lived refresh tokens. If token refresh fails, sync silently stops. So when something breaks, the first thing to check is connection status and authentication. Now let's talk timing: real-time sync versus scheduled sync. If your team acts fast, like sales following up right after a click, you need real-time updates. If it's performance reporting, hourly or daily might be enough. But whether you sync instantly or on a schedule, you have to respect rate limits and connection limits. Smart integrations use batching and delta sync, meaning they only transfer what changed since the last run, instead of resyncing everything. Even with perfect plumbing, your results still depend on data quality. Bad data spreads fast. One wrong email in your CRM becomes bounces and wasted sends in your email platform, and inconsistency can multiply across tools. So build in validation, deduplication, and clear conflict rules, like timestamp wins or CRM always wins, so you don't overwrite good data with bad. Here's your action plan. Start with a native CRM integration if it exists. Confirm OAuth is set up correctly, map fields carefully, and monitor sync logs for failures. Then add email verification into the workflow so invalid addresses and common typos get caught before they damage deliverability. If you want cleaner lists, fewer sync headaches, and higher performing campaigns, audit your CRM email sync this week and put verification and monitoring in place so your data stays reliable. Subscribe for more practical integration breakdowns, and if you want, share which CRM and email platform you use, and I'll tell you the best sync approach for your stack.